we realized real quickly that between Mike Dwinell, my lab, and Sam Hwang's lab, we shared a common interest in a particular class of molecules and how they play a role in cancer progression.
The three collaborators received funding from the Advancing a Healthier Wisconsin Endowment to pursue a shared interest in the class of molecules called chemokines, which are proteins that influence the movement of cells, including cancer cells seeking to spread throughout the body.
I can't think of another institute or medical center that has, if you want, from nuts to bolts, from A to Z kind of chemokine biology.
We found that these chemokines play important roles in how cancer cells metastasize.
Dr. Hwang utilized his collaborators' expertise in the architecture of cells and molecules to test custom-built molecules designed to reduce the chemokine activity involved in cancer cell movement.
We study cancers like melanoma, breast cancer, colon cancer with my colleagues, and so we later tried to see if the special molecules that they created in the laboratory would be able to prevent these cancer cells from metastasizing.
Dr. Hwang worked with Dwinell's genetics lab to test the three scientists' hypotheses in cells and in rodent models of disease, which are an important step for projecting how the molecule may work in humans in the future.
Sam showed us that we could also use a different model in his lab to look at metastatic melanoma, and we had equally good success there, so it emboldens us to try even more of the cancers that have been reported to be operating by similar mechanisms.
We want to help cells to move to heal injuries or block cell movement to block metastasis and tumor malignancies. And so we've made some new interesting findings at the molecular level and the organismal level.
Through further research, MCW's chemokine collaborators plan to study how these findings can improve cancer treatment.
We're hoping that inhibition of these receptors on the surface of these small clumps of cells, in conjunction with other forms of chemotherapy or immunotherapy, we can do a better job at eradicating them, at killing them off so that they never form a tumor that's large enough to hurt the patient.